everybody. I am coming at you from my bathroom. I've had something to drink. I'm not in the clearest mindset. I'm not drunk, but I'm not sober either. I am legal drinking age. You don't have to worry about that. I'm legal drinking age, and I'm looking down because I'm trying to search up a beauty guru tutorial on like to get their fabulous eyebrows. Yay. So I had this idea this morning that I would do beauty guru eyebrows, because if you look at theirs, I have like nothing compared to their eyebrows. So I'm gonna try to follow a beauty guru eyebrow tutorial, and I googled it. I came up with a lot of questionable things like the braided brow, the feather brow, and I'm assuming the halo brow, as well as the wiggly eyebrow, which I'm not doing that. I want like beautiful thick eyebrows, and to make that happen I'm gonna be using the eyeliner so that you can actually see the thick individual brow hairs. I should totally be doing this sober, but like, who cares if you're a little drunk? It's okay. I'm gonna look at a picture of James Charles because he's got big, beautiful eyebrows. Eyeliner. And they all start with like straight, so I guess we just have to, yes, create individual eyebrow hairs. Beautiful thick brows. I don't want to use his picture as a guideline for how my brows are supposed to be, but I have no choice. Now, you may have noticed I don't have a tail on my eyebrows, so I always like to extend it. But today, I'm not doing that. Okay, this could go a lot worse. It's not big on the top is what I want it to be. Yes, now I have an eyebrow. I've just decided I want to follow a tutorial, so we're just winging this one. Wing it like your winged eyeliner. And today it's actually perfect, but that's probably because I didn't do it while I'm drunk. Eyebrow tutorial is number 2 on the YouTube search. Kayla Martinez is going to show me what to do. Thank you, Kayla. My spoolie. It's the e.l.f. brow pencil, and I want to say it's like the dark gray brown. Show me what to do. Okay, so she's brushing her brows. She's taking a brow pomade. I don't have a pomade. So she's going under. Like, I don't know. Something went wrong. James Charles, I'm coming for your brand. can't take myself seriously with these brows. They're too dark. I feel like it's only fair we redo this one. I'm texting a picture of my eyebrows to my boyfriend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, goodbye.